Hi, everyone. I want to start out by just thanking you all for working so hard last week on preparing and writing your first body paragraph. This week, you're going to do body paragraphs 2 and 3. And you're going to do them the exact same way. So it'll be pretty easy after having gone through it once last week. This week will be a breeze. You're going to need 2 of last week's assignments open in tabs next to this assignment in order to help you work a little bit easier in transition, okay? So this is what I need you to have open. Monday's work, which had your sources that you chose, okay? Because you're going to need those sources, or at least one of those sources, to find your evidence today. Okay, so open that up. It's labeled 427. It was Monday's assignment. The other tab I want you to have open up is Tuesday's assignment, which is labeled Tuesday 428. It's where you came up with your 3 reasons. Okay, and what we're going to do today is we're going to need our central claim, of course. You're going to just copy and paste this over, but you're going to need this as well, reason 2. Okay, because what we're doing today is we're going to find, let me get over there, you're going to find evidence for reason 2. So paste over your claim first of all. Okay, so again, go back to right here. It was 428, Tuesday. Get your claim. Paste that over, okay? And then skip over reason 1. You already did reason 1. Go down here and paste over reason 2 right to this box, okay? Get it pasted right in here. And now you're going to go to your sources because you're going to find 3 supporting pieces of evidence, and I'd like one of them to be a quote, please. And make sure that all 3 support reason 2. Whatever your reason 2 is, they have to support it, okay? See down here in yellow? Notice how each piece of evidence directly supports the reason that social media can help create and maintain friendships. So this is what I found for evidence. Here's one quote. For example, 91% of people who use Facebook say that they use it to keep in touch with their friends. Well, that definitely supports that social media helps maintain and create friendships. Get your in-text citation in. You guys are really good at that by now. And don't forget, you can always, this is where you're looking, okay? You should have written down your sources in here. And where's my box? Right here, in-text citation for source, okay? Here was one example. This is the one that I used, okay? In-text citation. All right, let me get back. So my evidence B, I did another quote. Another example is that 72% of all teenagers use social media to connect with their friends. Yep, that definitely supports this, that social media is used to help with friends. And I got my in-text citation in there. Evidence C is a fact that I read on this website. A final example is that teens who use social media to connect with friends say that it has helped them make new friends. So again, I have evidence that supports my reason. Okay, so again, what you want, get your reason pasted in, your claim pasted in. Don't change your topic, please. At this point, you guys are doing the topic you picked, okay? No more changing it. So you've got your central claim, reason 2, and 3 pieces of evidence that support that reason. All right, that is all you're doing today. You guys can do this. You did this for paragraph 1 last week, and this we're getting right into paragraph 2. And tomorrow, you guessed it, you're going to put it together into a paragraph format. Great job. I can't wait to read what you guys come up with for your evidence. Thank you.